Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the Gmail app. After you open up the Gmail app, select a particular Gmail that you would like to log out from your phone. Next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on manage account on this device. Then scroll down right here. And then here, you have to choose the particular Gmail account that you want to log out from your phone. So I'm going to log out this account right here, and it's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on remove account. So next thing we want to do is to click on remove account. Remove account. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. Click on remove account. And it's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use your Gmail on your phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.